Need to replace your Zafira key fob battery? First, identify your fob type. Most Zafira fobs are two-piece plastic cases. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Locate the seam or screw on the back. Some models have a visible screw. Gently pry apart the case, starting from the keyring end, being careful not to force it. For Zafira C models, be extra cautious as they might have additional clips. Inside, you'll find the battery, typically a CR2032. Remember safety first. Work on a non-conductive surface to discharge static electricity. With the fob open, use tweezers to carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note that the positive side, marked with a plus symbol, should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, with the positive side up. Align the case halves and snap or screw them back together carefully. Before reattaching to your keyring, test the fob to ensure all buttons work properly. Common pitfalls include damaging the rubber seal or misaligning the circuit board. For Zafira AB models, the process is simpler. In humid climates, apply dielectric grease to contacts for longevity. If you have issues or a Zafira C model, seek professional help.